Hey guys, so today I'm making a video and we're going to talk about Sword and Shield booster boxes, and this really is last call I think for Sword and Shield. People were making those videos a couple months ago, but no, this is legitimately last call for Sword and Shield. So as you guys know, Lost Origin booster boxes sold out on the Pokemon Center a couple days ago. Before then they were like what, 170, 175, something like that. They're now selling for $200. This is a $200 box. It's not coming back from that unless it comes back into stock. And if you just look at the last 3 months, this was $140 3 months ago. You know, that's basically a 40% gain in 3 months on Lost Origin. Now, since Lost Origin has sold out, it's following in a pattern. Obviously, Chilling Reign went, saw a spike. Fusion Strike went, saw a spike. Even Astral Radiance, when it went and saw a spike a little bit, it's back in stock. But yeah, or no, it's back out now, I believe. But either way, you basically see the boxes sell out on the Pokemon Center. There is a big spike. It's happening with Lost Origin. And basically, we need to infer what's going to happen next from what's happened in the past. We need to learn. So, Battle Styles still in stock. Brilliant Stars still in stock. And Silver Tempest still in stock. And if you look at Battle Styles, like even this is moving up now, right? It's still about 117, it's selling about 125 though. So still way below MSRP. I don't think people are buying up battle styles from the Pokemon Center yet, but Silver Tempest 134 selling around 140, so this is getting very close to being bought out on and when I mean bought out on the Pokemon Center, I don't mean that there's not a ton of boxes left there because I don't know, but I'm saying that the price is basically, market value of it's pretty close to MSRP, so people soon enough will be looking at the Pokemon Center to pick up boxes. But when we look at Brilliant Stars, 167, 168 market value right now. MSRP is, 143, 144. Again, after tax, about 150. So this is above MSRP right now. So it makes sense people are going to go to Pokemon Center to buy their boxes of Brilliant Stars at this moment. So that's why, in my opinion, I believe Brilliant Stars is going to be the next one to go. I believe if you have money right now, you should put it into Brilliant Stars if you want to make a quick buck. Because honestly, we look at Lost Origin, it went from 175 to 200 in a couple days once it sold out. Brilliant Stars might not hit that level, but we're going to see a big spike once it sells out. And I think it's kind of like the most obvious to go next, just based on the price differential between MSRP and current market value. So Brilliant Stars, again, if we look at these sets and the cards in these sets, obviously Battle Styles, you have the Sleepy Tyranitar, $116. Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX, the Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. Not a ton outside of that, but when you look at the top 10 value in Battle Styles, I believe it's still over $300. So it's not actually as bad as I thought it was. Silver Tempest, I believe, is second place around 330. I mean, I just did like rough numbers, but I believe it goes Battle Styles, Silver Tempest, Brilliant Stars when you look at top 10 value. So it kind of makes sense that it's, it follows along with the narrative that Brilliant Stars will go first, Silver Tempest will go second, Battle Styles will go third. Again, obviously you have the best chase card out of these three in Silver Tempest. You have the Lugia V, $175 now, probably on its way to $200. The Charizard V in Brilliant Stars is around $150. The Trainer Gallery Umbreon VMAX is pushing $30 now as well in Brilliant Stars. Then you have, the Arceus V, the Umbreon V, Trainer Gallery as well, Sylveon VMAX, and Sylveon V. Down here you also have a full art Charizard, some Luminion V as well. So yeah, I mean, those are the cards in each set. Now, do I think any of these sets are going to be as good as Lost Origin in the future? Obviously not, but you're still getting a very good price on them, and you're going to make decent gains. I mean, look, like 140 3 months ago for Lost Origin, now it's a $200 box. Again, 40% gain in 3 months. If you're buying Brilliant Stars at MSRP right now, you're getting it, 150-ish after tax, whatever it is. And that hits 200 once it sells out in maybe a couple months. That's still, what, a 33% gain in a couple months? Like, that's very solid, right? So, Brilliant Stars as well. It's definitely going to be a set people want to open. There's a ton of depth to it. I've covered this in a ton of videos before. So, yeah, that's why I think Brilliant Stars will be the next to go. It's going to be Silver Tempest after that, most likely. And then Battle Styles eventually once, market price reaches around 140-ish, people will still start turning to the Pokemon Center to start buying up those boxes. So that's what's going to happen. And then again, even looking forward after that, you're going to start looking for, Scarlet and Violet base set or Paldea Evolved. People are going to start turning to those sets, and it's just going to be linear, man. Again, like the best time to invest is probably 9 months, a year after release of a set. That's most likely if it's been reprinted or whatnot. around that time is pretty good. You start seeing prices creep up. So that's why people, again, are going to start turning to Scarlet Violet base now because it's over. Is it over a year old? Paldea Evolved, pretty close to a year old. Paradox Rift later this fall. So again, just linear patterns. We just got to keep following the trend. Obviously, some things are going to be a little out of whack. Like, for example, Lost Origin went out before Brilliant Stars. Evolving Skies went out before, some other sets like Astral Radiance, stuff like that. So, or no, that doesn't make sense. Evolving Skies before Fusion Strike and, you know, other sets like that. So, there are times where a set, if it's very, very good, will sell out before the other ones. But normally there's a pretty linear pattern here. And I think that's just, kind of the market psychology, right? Like, once a set starts to age, creeps up in price a little bit after the reprint, yada, 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 people start looking at it and go, yeah, you know what, maybe this is a bit better than we thought it was. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. If you got into Lost Origin before it sold out, congratulations. But if you didn't, you still have time to get into Brilliant Stars, Silver Tempest, and Battle Styles. That's where I would be, eventually putting my money. That's how we're going to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.